So today we will discuss about the infrared spectroscopy, that is IR spectroscopy. So firstly we will discuss about the introduction of IR spectroscopy. So first here we will see that is the electromagnetic radiation, and in which the different type of rays, that is gamma rays, x-rays, ultraviolet rays and infrared rays, radar, FM, TV, software and AM electromagnetic spectrum of that rays is shows in the diagram by the help of wavelength in the form of nanometer or wavelength in the form of meters. So the infrared radiation absorbed between the 700 nanometer to 1 millimeter range, and the frequency of that is 430 terahertz or 300 gigahertz. Next, what is IR spectroscopy? The basic introduction of the IR spectroscopy, the study of absorption of infrared radiation which causes vibrational transition in the molecule. So the basic study of absorption of IR radiation which causes the vibrational transition in the molecule. So that IR spectroscopy, also known as a vibrational spectroscopy, due to the vibrational transition occurs in the molecule. So that IR spectroscopy mainly used for the structural elucidation or to determine the functional group of the compound. So what is the principle of IR spectroscopy? The molecule are made up of atoms linked by the bonds. So here the movement of atom and the chemical bond is like spring and ball. These movement is known as vibration. So here by the help of diagrammatic representation, vibration of a diatomic molecule approximate as an oscillating spring. So the vibration is just like that the spring is oscillate. So the molecule and the bond between in a molecule in the atoms and the chemical bond vibrate with to each other to form to each other like a spring and a ball. So the IR radiation absorbed by the help of vibration of the atoms and bonds, movement of atom and the chemical bond is movements of atom and the chemical bond in the molecule. So this characteristic vibration are called natural frequency of vibration. So basic is that the molecule is made up of a chemical bond, atoms that is linked with the chemical bond, and there is some vibration, or we can say some movement between the atoms and chemicals. So the atoms and chemical bond behave like a ball and spring. So a ball which is attached to a spring, and when the movement is possible they can vibrate. So the if vibration occur, the IR frequency absorbed in the form of in the IR region in the form of IR radiation. Next, what is the principle? When energy in the form of IR radiation is applied, so it causes the vibration between the atoms and the molecule. This condition is occurs only when the applied frequency of the molecule or applied frequency of the infrared radiation is equal to the natural frequency of the vibration in the molecules between the bond and the atoms. So when applied frequency of applied infrared frequency is equal to the natural frequency of the molecule molecule, the absorption of IR radiation takes place, and it shows, it will appear in the form of a peak in the spectrum, IR spectrum. So this IR spectrum will help us to determine the various type of functional group which is present in the molecule, and different functional group absorb at the functional group having a characteristic frequency or the characteristic infrared radiation that absorb at the particular radiation or in frequency, and produces a particular, and absorbed at a particular at a particular radiation, or absorbed at a particular frequency of reason. So these frequency, when the molecule absorbed at a particular frequency, these frequency are known as these frequencies are known as IR frequency, where the molecule get absorbed at particular IR region. These the characteristic these frequency give the characteristic peak value in the form of graph, in the form of peak in the graph or IR spectrum. So the IR spectrum of a chemical substance is a fingerprint of a molecule for its identification. So this is the basic introduction of the IR. Here we discussed about the what basic principle of the IR, the basic funda of the IR spectroscopy, what is the basic phenomenon, that is vibration. So the vibration occurs between the molecule and occurs in the molecule between atoms and bond. These atoms and bond are connected together by as like the ball and spring. So the vibration occurs when the natural applied frequency is equal to the natural frequency of vibration of a molecule. That is the basic principle of IR frequency, IR region or IR spectroscopy. So it is also known as vibrational spectroscopy due to the vibration occurs in the molecule. Vibrational time regions occur in the molecule, and main use of this IR spectroscopy to elucidate the structure or functional group of a molecule. Thank you.